Hi guys, today we're gonna watch how to make chocolate mouse cake. First of all, we need 125 gram of sugar, and then we need 250 gram of flour. After that, we need 60 gram of cocoa powder, and then 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon soda powder, a little bit of salt. Sieve them. And then we need to mix well. After that, we need 2 eggs, 125 ml of milk, (125 ml of olive oil, and then we need 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, After that, use cake mixture to mix all ingredients. Mix 1 tablespoon of coffee powder with hot water and mix it with other ingredients. Mix well. After that, we need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, mix well. Put parchment paper on the cake pan and fill it with the cake mixture. Heat pressure cooker. Put cake mixture in the pressure cooker. Close the pressure cooker and let it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the pressure cooker. The cake is done. After putting the cake for a while for the heat become down, add the chocolate ganache at the top of the cake. Spread the chocolate ganache all around the cake. After that, you can decorate your cake in your own way. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you again in another video. Bye.